There was a young woman named Sarah. She dreamed of starting her own business, but every time she thought about it, fear whispered, "You're not ready." Still, deep down, she knew she wanted more. One morning, Sarah decided to take a small step. She wrote down one goal: "I will learn something new today." That day, she joined a short online course. And for the first time, she felt proud, not for being perfect, but for simply beginning. A week later, Sarah launched her first product online. It wasn't flawless, but it was hers. When her first sale came through, she smiled, realizing that progress is more powerful than perfection. Long nights, mistakes, and doubt. But each time she felt afraid, she whispered, "I can do this." Step by step, her courage grew, and slowly, her dream started to become real. Today, Sarah's small dream has become her business, and she finally understands believing in yourself is the first step to success, because small actions every single day can create incredible results.